Now for this lot, I have some. This one is for Flynn. I think this came with the Scarloy. It's I think this. I don't know how much they sell, but I think the last time I checked was like $8 or $10 each. I might be wrong. And this one they sell it for 5 or 7. I don't remember. I haven't checked yet, but yeah, there are so many cars, passenger cars. I mean, wagons that I'm posting. Link in the description directly to my store. This one I think they have clean. No, there's a little bit of corrosion, but other than that, it looks good. Carnival, yeah, these lots. I've seen this one selling for $8 or $10. Yeah, check the link in the description. Here is another passenger car. I think this one was for Ferdinand, or maybe came with. Look at the corrosion. I had no time, guys. There's even a troublesome truck. I think they're selling for $5 each. It's troublesome. This one is for. I think it was Splash Emily. Here's Emily. Good coupler. Includes I don't know about this remote. It's everything is filthy, guys. Everything you see, I just find it as it is because I always bought the boxes and I just got the the easiest to fix and find and repair, and I never had the chance to fix the rest. But yeah, you can make this as a custom or ask for spare parts. This one, if you have a very bad shape games, you can use this one, Mattel. Yeah, yeah. Let's continue posting more.